Your future soulmate. You ever teach someone how to ride a bike?
Start spreading.
So for my documentary class 2 weeks ago, I had to make a film about a process. And so Bruno turned 20 at the start of the month, but he doesn't actually know how to ride a bike, which is really surprising. We decided that for my documentary, we'd film the process of us teaching him how to ride a bike.
All right, pick your favorite, Bruno.
Do I even know how to put this on? All right, hold on. Yes, I do.
Go from here to those two planters. Only touching the ground, don't use the pedals. This will help you hopefully get a feeling of like balancing on the bike.
Last time I tried doing this with two friends, they couldn't
keep it up?
No. So don't stop pedaling,
Don't
right?
stop pedaling, because if you stop pedaling, the bike's gonna stop moving. Pedal, pedal, pedal.
Oh my gosh. Wait, hey,
Pedal,
too much to the
pedal,
right.
pedal.
Too much to the
No,
right.
you're good, you're
Too much
balanced
to the
right now.
right.
You're balanced right now.
I am?
Yeah.
Okay, how do I stop?
You feel that? Brakes. Remember brakes.
Oh, oh,
That's
no.
that's all right.
Oh boy. Oh, well,
Do that again.
yeah. Woo. Damn it. Ah, damn it. Damn it. Oh. Ah, oh my gosh.
Bruno, it's harder if you think about it.
I don't know how you asked her out, but I'm sure you were nervous when you did that. This is nothing compared to that.
She knows how to ride a bike. I don't.
Yeah, you can go on bike dates.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh.
Yes.
I'm trying.
Yes. You feel that? Yes.
Like just press down here.
Yes. No, but you didn't start pedaling. You have like half a second to start pedaling.
Shoot.
Oh, you're not pedaling.
I'm gonna lose my mind.
You're not gonna fall if you start pedaling. You are gonna completely stop if you put your foot down.
Okay.
So it's like, just do it.
Look forward.
Yes, pedal. Yeah, Bruno, yeah.
The fact that it's wet makes me a little bit scared. Let's go. Shoot. Ah. I know. I know.
Careful.
Ooh.
You're correcting.
That's good progress. Good progress.
Pedal more.
Pedal, Bruno. Yeah. Pedal. Yes, that's great. You're good. Yes, Bruno. Keep going.
No.
You all right?
Oh, yeah, I'm good.
Bruno, it's gonna snow soon, so we gotta get the shot now, okay?
All right, last one.
Until the morning light, falling in your arms tonight. Strange, but it feels so right, so right, so right.
Yeah, there you go. Keep going.
Until the morning light, falling in your arms tonight. Strange, but it feels so right, so right, so right. I know tonight will never last. I feel how
And that, dear future soulmate, is how he taught Bruno how to ride a bike. It's snowing in New York, baby! It's finally snowing. I'm riding this bike one-handed.